So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to connect the Ethernet cable. This is the Ethernet cable to the smart TV from the router. So this is the router we're actually using for this video. You probably notice that when you look at this router, it has different local area network ports. You see these ports, okay? These are the ones that you can actually connect the Ethernet cable with. For this video, actually using a TCL Google TV, as you can actually see right there. You see that? So this is the end of the Ethernet cable. You see this clip right here? Okay, you probably notice this clip goes down right here. So you come right here. Okay, come right here, you do that, you see? So this, make sure you orient it very well, push it right there. Okay, so make sure you hear that popping sound after insertion. Hear that sound? Yes, so that is the one end that has actually been put into the port. Okay, now then we have the other end. This is the other end. Okay, this right here. So this is the end that is supposed to go into the TV. Okay, at the back of the TV, you probably look around for all the ports and make sure you locate the local area. You see LAN port. Okay, so for this TV, you probably see the TCL Google TV. There's a local area network port where the cable, the Ethernet cable, is actually usually inserted. Local area network port. So the Ethernet cable is got like this. Then make sure you orient it very well accordingly. Okay, you see that? This, then push this right here. You're supposed to get that popping sound right there. So now the Ethernet cable has actually been connected from router. Okay, this is our router. Okay, it's been connected to the router to the smart TV. Okay, now you can actually use internet on your TV. So when you actually look at the TV and then you got the settings, okay, you probably see that the TV is actually connected. So we've been able to connect the Ethernet cable to the smart TV from the router, and that's it.